Yes, dear children, good morning. So, one more writing skill. Now, let's learn. So, that is the job application writing. Job application writing is also known as a cover letter. It should be sent or uploaded with your resume when you are applying for any job. While your resume should offer the history of your work experience and outline of your skills and accomplishment. The job application letter you should send to an employer explaining why you are qualified for the position and should be selected for the interview. So it should cover all the points now describing about your personal details. So this is very necessary part. Job application has two components. First is called the cover letter that includes your personal details and that attributes your specific qualities and qualification to the company and the employer where you are applying. Next component of job application is biodata. Dear children, now learn some journal points to be followed for writing sub job application. Follow the same format which I have shared with you in my previous format of the letter writing skills. So follow the same format of writing the formal letter here. Then in the body part you have to bring a little bit change. So what you will do in the introductory paragraph, you should state your interest and also mention the title of the position of the job which you are applying here. Then create 2 or 3 paragraphs highlighting your qualification for the post, but it should be very brief because we are going to attach one more resume part along with such application. The final paragraph, in that again you should provide the more information and show your interest and dedication if you would be offered that job. Then the closing would be the same which you have learned in the formal letter. Okay, so follow these things. So further I am giving you one example too. Okay, just wait. And another part, that is biodata, that means your self data. So that will consist of the 4 important points. First of all, personal and contact details. That will include your full name, your contact and your complete address. Next important point is to provide your educational details which should suit the job for which you are applying. So list your qualifications, grades, where and when you achieve your degrees and the other higher studies certificates. You should be clear and honest for providing you information. Next point is to provide your work experience. So here again, honestly list the name of your employers and your position and date of joining your previous job and duration of your employment. You should provide the comprehensive job profile and must and list your duties and responsibilities very clearly over here. The last important part is to provide some references in your biodata. It is a must part because true, these references, the company or the employer, they can cross verify your identifications and your character from those references. So try to provide the names of 2 persons known and famous of your city here. Now through example, I am giving you the explanation of the format. See to this. Now see the format for job application. First of all, sender address, then date word should be given, but here only mention the day of your writing the letter. Then the address is address. So here I am applying for the post of sports coach in some school, so I have addressed here to the principal. Okay, so if you are applying for some company for your job, then here write likewise the chairman, the CEO, so likewise, but write the complete address. Then mention the subject, So here we will mention we are applying for the post of sports coach. Then salutation. Then I have created, see the two paragraph. First of all, in the introduction I mentioned the source from where I have come to know about that post. So from the newspaper I have mentioned. So you will also mention by giving some post date of reading that information. Then after completing the first and the second paragraph, again in short you should now give your brief information, because we have to give the resume part also. So we have to attach one sheet along with describing your complete biodata. So that's why you will give very short and brief information in this part. And again you can describe your personal interest for joining that company. Then in the closer, give yours faithfully with a complimentary some word thanking you or regards. And in close, you must give the enclosure also, because we are attaching here the resume, the biodata. So we will mention, and the photocopies of our educational testimonials also we have to attach in such job application. So we will mention it at the bottom part after writing the complete letter. So what enclosures you are attaching with your letter. After writing the application part, you have to attach one more sheet with your job application that will refer about your personal detail. So give the heading of biodata or resume in the middle in the sheet, because it is a printout. So try to write everything in the bold letters. Name, word this also in the bold letter. So mention your name, then father's name, date of birth, address, complete address with mentioning your complete city name too you would write. Then your contacts, your mail ID, then educational qualification according to the requirement of that job you will mention, but start mentioning your qualification from your class 10th onward. Okay, after this include everything. Then give your work experience if you have any, salary expected. So why you are changing, you would give your expectation about the salary. Then at the end of such application must give the references. So how you have come to know, or what is your identification in that city. So you have to give the reference of two known person of your city here. Okay, in this way you would complete the box and will include the information in your biodata part. I think you have understood the format for the job application. Thank you everyone. Now it's time to provide you some important tips for scoring the good marks in job application. Must remember that if in your examination you only create the formatting, then you don't deserve any mark. You have to cover both the parts of job application. That means to write the cover letter and also the biodata. You have to write both parts. Then you deserve the marks. Second point, creativity is appreciated by the examiner. So try to be original. Next is not to mix the two formats. Provide the format of the formal letters. Use the selected language and be very formal while writing the job application. Next is to add the enclosure in your job application. That is must. And next is to give the references in the biodata part. Whether it is asked or not, you have to include the names of the two known persons in your job application. Now it's time to understand the mark scheme of the job application. Your job application should be explained between 120 to 150 words. For formatting, there is 1 mark. So be very particular about presenting this part. Content part has a weightage of 3 marks. Actually, this is the body part. Try to explain the information between 2 to 3 paragraphs here. Next point of evaluating job application is to check the expression and to give the marks. This contains 2 marks, but this expression part is split into two parts. First of all, grammatical accuracy, then the use of the proper words and the spellings. These are checked. This contains 1 mark, and then the coherence and relevance of the ideas and the style of the writer is checked. So this again contains 1 mark. Hence the total marks which are allotted for job application is 6. So keep in mind all the important points and follow them for creating the job application, and surely you will get full marks. I hope you well understood the explanation. Thank you for watching the video.